Okay, we just arrived to the Alpines. Let's hit it. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I can't see. Oh, my lights don't work either. Great. Oh, my brakes don't work either. Great. Oh no. David! I'm so done with you. You're always doing this. I can't with you anymore. Oh no. Oh, come on, please, no. Just reverse, come on. Please. Oh, come on. Oh no, come on. Don't die on me, come on. Please. Oh, great. I don't get it. David, help. David, seriously. What's going on? Great. Now what? Great. It doesn't want to start. Baby, come on, please. Please, you're there, come on. Please, come on. David, get out. I'm done with you. Great, I need to call a tow truck. More expensive this year. Oh my god.